Peace, family. It's Amber at Amber's Magical Garden here in Zone 9B. I believe I'm in 9B. I keep bouncing around from 9B to 9A because sometimes it's just confusing. But I'm in Las Vegas, Nevada. And this is my nice little magical garden in small spaces. Let that part off. The reason for my video today, and I did another video saying what this is, and actually I'm using this as a cover to protect my plants from severe sun damage because it is now summer here in Nevada. It came a whole month early, and my plants were getting, like, they just were being battered, and I was very, very sad about that. And if you're wondering what this is, it's one of those pumps that everybody's using for disinfectant, and most of the times you'll see people using it for bug spray. I'm actually using it to mist my plants, right? I was using a spray bottle, and then I thought about it, and I was like, you know what? The spray bottle takes forever for me to do all the plants. But this thing, it reaches all the way over to my plants, way, way, way over there, to my little flowers over there, so everybody gets a nice dew mist. But anyway, the reason for this in particular video, while I missed all of the plants, is I'm going to be deadheading. A lot of people don't know what deadheading is, but deadheading is when you have leaves and flowers and even fruit that no longer serves a purpose on the plant. And all it's doing is taking energy from the plant, where the plant could be using it for growing, giving you fruit, bearing whatever it's going to bear for you. It's just sucking up energy. So that includes extra oversized leaves, all kinds of things. And in my particular case, because the season has changed so rapidly, I'm finding myself with a lot of stuff like this yellow leaf, and these yellow leaves, and I have some over there, if you can see that, but like there's a yellow leaf there, and on this, yellow leaves. I even, before I came on camera like this one, he's struggling. I need to repot it, but it's struggling. It gave me a tomato anyway. All this energy, here, let me see if I can zoom in. I can, good. All the energy that is being spent on these leaves could go right here. But there's also a little tiny flower next to that tomato. Let's see if you can see that. If you see little flowers like this, you need to go ahead and cut them off. That is, although the dry part has dried out, the flower part has dried out, it's not going to produce any fruit, or else the green area of the flower, let me show you a viable flower, the green area of the flower would be plump. So like these are brand new flowers on one of my tomato plants. Here we go, perfect. Here's a little teeny tiny guy. Let me see if I can zoom back out. There we go. Little one, right? Just started. And the flowers have fallen off. But I don't know if you can see this, but do you see how this, where is it? This in particular one is kind of spread out like a star. That's because in the bell part by the stem, it's a little plump, which means even like with this one, it has been, let's see right there, see it's a little plump, it might be blurry, but it has been fertilized, or fertilized itself, and it's going to give me tomatoes. Okay, when you run into a problem where you have flowers that are not doing that on any plant, even if it's like a bell pepper or something like that, like this one here, let's see, that one's a little plump there, and this one's perfect because the flower just dried on it, but it's a little plump right there. There's a little baby tomato in there. Anyway, I was doing all of that and showing you all of those things because when you deadhead, it gives your plants a chance to thrive, give you some green leaves, give you some new flowers, because the energy is now going into other parts of the plant. So, let's see here. Oh, and I've already started because the heat is making my tomatoes turn. So I already have a little bit of a harvest here. Yay! And I have a couple more there that I have to grab, which I will. But anyway, let me show you. So you want to come real close to the main stem. Let's see here. You're going to go in. There we go. Come real close to the main stem and snip. And a lot of times you can use your fingernails too. But even like on this one, it's kind of big. Sorry, that green flash was a leaf. But you come right in here. And you see how ugly that is? But I'm getting rid of these big ones because I have tomatoes there. Get rid of this. Snip. And there's some more back there, but I can't do one hand camera work at the same time. Even this one, right here. You see the discoloration? It should be green like these, but it's not. So guess what? Not gonna cut the tomato, but gonna cut the leaves. Snip. No, you can't hang on. There you go. So anyway, I just kind of wanted to show you what deadheading was. Definitely deadhead your plants. I know it's hard. I know it's not necessarily something that you want to do, but it's healthier for your plant because your plant has a chance to produce new leaves, and give you, fruit and give you buds and things like that, right? So anyway, that's all I wanted. This is a short video for me. If you found this content usable and you enjoyed this content, please like the content, share the content, and subscribe to my channel. That'd be fantastic. So anyway, this is Amber for Amber's Magical Garden in Small Spaces. By all means, if I can do it, so can you. And please, grow something. Peace.